So I love so much about how our home looks, but there's a few things that go undetectable that you can't actually visually see that make it a lot better. For those of you interested, you're gonna get a lot of great information. It's peak adulting, y'all. It is the quietest of luxuries, and once you try it, it is really hard to go back. There are a lot of benefits, but the number one thing that got me was skin and hair, because it just makes it so much softer, less dryness, less frizziness. So basically, there's a lot of magnesium and calcium in our water. The Culligan system filters it out, allowing for a much softer version of the water to hit your skin and hair. On your skin, the combination of water and shampoo and soap with that magnesium and calcium can really block your pores, and it won't allow your natural oils to come out, which can prevent the natural oils from reaching the surface of your skin. So for your hair, the residue clings to all the follicles, making your hair stiff and dry. So if you feel like you want to wash your hair every day, that's probably because you have very hard water. But you can have Culligan test it for you, and you can find out how hard your water is, which is what we did. The second reason I love softened water is less residue buildup on all of your surfaces. So plainly spoken, less chemicals, which means less residue, which means less cleaning. So when you are showering, when you're cleaning, when you're even washing your hands, having that hard water not even hit the surfaces means just so much less buildup. Think of all the surfaces that you typically have to squeegee and just like, you're kind of obsess over making them look clean. It'll just make it so much easier. Also, let's talk about laundry and your clothes and your bright white towels. So if there's buildup on your skin and hair and your tile and your glass, it's probably on your laundry as well. With the Culligan softened water, your whites stay whiter and your colors are brighter and all of your fabrics are just fluffier. Plus, with the softened water, you use less detergent overall. If you're like me and you love live finishes on your faucets, meaning that beautiful patina on unlacquered brass, softened water is crucial because those chemicals will ruin those faucets. So ours are just, patinaing beautiful because we have Culligan softened water. So the process is actually simple, and I was intimidated because I don't know much about softened water, right? But you don't have to know anything, because a Culligan team member will come over and they will test your water, because you want to make sure you actually have hard water, right? So they'll do this like fun little chemistry test in front of you, and they'll show you, here's what's in your water. So if you do need for it to be softened, they will schedule everything. It's a very hands-off situation. First, they're going to need to find out where to put it. Typically, it's in a garage or basement. Ours is in the basement. And then an installer will come. Normally takes, half a day, at least it did for us in both of our houses. It's a 4-hour process, and they do all the work. So the whole home system that we have includes the salt tank and other accessories that make it smart. So basically, you look at your app and it tells you when the salt needs to be refilled. For us, it's been so hands-off, so simple, I haven't even had to think about it, which is really my preference. So this reverse osmosis system, which is called the RO system for short, this system goes underneath your sink in your cabinet. We didn't actually have the space for it because we got a farm sink and we have a high toe kick. And anyway, my brother did though. It reduces over 90 different contaminants out of your water. So just think clean filtered water straight from the tap. Okay, so this has been our experience with Culligan. We have loved it, and in fact, a fun little anecdote is that most of their customers are return customers, because once you have it, you really do feel the difference when you don't have it. Their customer service has been incredible. So just if you're in the market and thinking about it, call them up, have them come test your water. You may not have hard enough water to even get it, but if you do, then you're in really good hands. They have been so wonderful, and the product really speaks for itself. Like once you soften your water, you cannot go back.